guys. Mga kasimple, kaway-kaway. Okay, ito na. May nag-request. Okay, shout out sa nag-request, guys. Thank you so much sa nag-request. Okay, i-play na natin. Okay, let's go. Okay, malaksa ka naman dyan. Mga kasimple. Ito na. A 1, a 2, a 3. Okay, let's go. I must be crazy now. Maybe I dream too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. To whisper in your ear. Words are all lost time. Words only you would hear. If only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should my mate come home when you look in my eyes? 'Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I'll whisper this word as you lie here by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These 3 words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. So today I finally find the courage deep inside just to walk right up to your door. But my body can't move when I finally get to it. Just like 1,000 times before. And then without a word, they handed me this letter. With I hope this find a way into your heart. It said, I love you. Please say you love me too. These 3 words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Well, maybe I need a little love. And maybe I need a little care. Yeah. And maybe you, oh, you need somebody just to hold you. If you do, just reach out and I'll be there. Do you love me too? They say you love me too. At the end of time, these 3 words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together. Oh, say you love me too. Please, please, say you love me too. It's the end of time. My baby love, together, together forever. I love you. I will be your light, shining bright, shining through your eyes, my baby. Oh. Okay. Thank you so much for watching on my live. Okay. Ito na. May tanong ako sa inyo, guys. Mga kasimple. A one, a two, a three. Okay. Nagustuhan niyo ba ang aking inihandog na kanta para sa inyo? Na-request niyo, guys. Okay. Kung nagustuhan niyo, please comment on the comment section. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Hindi na natin papatagalin. Okay, bye-bye. Let's go!